Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. An Overstock founder basically sell all his shares to crypto and gold. And I will touch on gold as well. Just in case you are new to the channel, you can earn EOS Token, Lumen token in Coinbase. And if you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can click the link below. Brave browser help you to surf internet faster and also block out all the advertising. So let's talk about Overstock founder. He basically sell all his shares to cryptocurrency and gold. That's very interesting. He sell 5 million shares for about 90 million. The stock into gold and silver, into gold and cryptocurrency, and it's silver as well, gold, silver. And he talked about that he planned to use the proceed to buy gold, silver, and 2 types of cryptocurrency by Friday. This is interesting. So I'm not sure which 2 cryptocurrency, probably Ethereum, probably, I don't know. You guys can guess, right? And don't forget, Overstock basically one of the first merchant. They accept Bitcoin on their website. A lot of merchants on their website, they don't accept crypto, but he's one of the first people, the merchant, to accept accept Bitcoin. So 2 types of cryptocurrency. So maybe Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe maybe I don't know. So what do you think? Which two cryptocurrency he's going to buy? And the next stop we're going to talk about. So this is a tweet from Mr. Anderson, and Bitcoin. He talked about the trend line and everything. And the thing is, we have to if we fall below 120-day EMA, 120-day EMA is basically around 9,600. So if we fall 120 EMA, then we go to 21 EMA. 21 EMA basically around 9,004, I think 9,322. So if we do not hold 21 EMA, then we will go to a bearish territory. And of course, we'll go to the next level, which is a 200-day EMA. And 200-day EMA is basically around 8,600. So it will go lower and lower. So if we have to hold 21 EMA, if not, we are going to go downhill for sure. So this is just based on technical analysis. And it looks like early on we have a dump around 9,500, dump to all the way, but it still hasn't break the trend line yet. So we will see, But and then all of a sudden there's a pump again. I don't know, because of the whale, they want to pump it back again. So it's up to the whale how they play the game. So trend line is very important. If we break the trend line, is going to go downhill. So 21 EMA has to hold. And the next stop, we're going to talk about gold and silver. So this is the tweet from Super Crypto. So you can see for commercial, for the bank, the long position is only 156,000, short position 461,000. That is like a lot more short position in the banks. And for the non-commercial, which is an average Joe or speculator or some other hedge fund or whatever, you can see the long positions 334,000, and short position is only 64,000. So the thing is, they are not going to pump. They are not going to pump the price to liquidate their own position, right? The bank, they're going to dump the price to liquidate all this long position. You can see there's a huge long position, so they're going to dump the price to liquidate this long position. This is as of September 10. So I'm not surprised that they're going to continue to use the future market to control the price of gold and silver as well as Bitcoin. And this is basically how they play the game. They use the future market to control the price of commodity as well as Bitcoin as well. And people are so happy with the CME future contract back in 2017 in December, and everybody's so naive thinking that the CME or CBOE no longer trade doing the future contract, only CME right now. Back then you have CME, CBOE doing the Bitcoin future contract back in first started out in December 2017, and at the time Bitcoin is almost at all-time high, almost 20,000, right? And a lot of people, like a lot of prominent YouTuber, thinking, okay, CME is future market is going to be very bullish. We're going to shoot to the moon. We are going to like 40,000, 100,000 Bitcoin. People gone crazy. Even a grandma want to buy Bitcoin, and then they're so naive, didn't realize that they can use future market to control the price of Bitcoin, and this has been used in the traditional market in gold and silver. I think a lot of YouTubers are so naive. I mean, seriously, anytime the big banks they use future market, they use all this instrument. It's just create additional, just give them additional instrument to control the price. I think, to me, I think it's better institutional don't step in at all. I think it's better for, I mean, if they step in, they're going to play their games. So their games is to control the price. So it's up to them how they want to play the game. And this is not a big market cap. And you can, I mean, you can use tiny amount of money to move the market easily. I mean, you know, so this is how it is. So they have been using future market to control the price of gold and silver, as well as uranium and all this commodity. So so he talked about COMEX has 93 billion gold open contract. Banks have 1.1 billion gold in stock at COMEX. COMEX is trading 84 times paper gold versus physical gold. So they are just, you know, they are just settle all this in fiat money. So they can speculate all day long what they want, but they are not settled in physical gold. If they settle in physical gold, the current gold price will not be at this price. It will be a lot more. So, and also people are so talking about BAKKT, how BAKKT is backed by the Bitcoin, right? It's not settled in fiat currency, unlike the CME. Well, BAKKT, you know, they're going to use their own instrument to play this game. Although they said they're going to settle in Bitcoin, but then you have commingling, they commingling with other assets like credit default swap, fiat currency, and U.S. Treasury along with it. And so you got to be careful what they think. BAKKT is not a good thing either. So just forget about those things. Forget about all this instrument to come in. I think it's not good to the community. Not good to the crypto community. You can go back to my previous video why I think BAKKT is not good. So early on I already say CME future contract is not a good idea to Bitcoin very early on. Even though all the people are very bullish. I said no. But anyway, I think people have to learn the lesson. BAKKT is not a good thing. You know, they can use that to manipulate the market. They can inflate the Bitcoin 10 times or 100 times. That is how they play the games in the traditional market, and they're going to dilute the value of Bitcoin eventually. So anyway, you can go back to my previous video to look about about BAKKT. Why BAKKT is not good to the crypto community. And let's see. And crude oil. Okay. If you watch my previous video, I already anticipate there's a crude oil pump, so you should not be surprised with this crude oil pump. Not just because of the attack, but because also before the attack, they already tried to decrease the oil production. With the attack, it's just exacerbate the condition. And but this is just temporary. It just pump all the way to 62. Now it's go back to 58. I mean, this is a big jump. Seriously, 55 to all the way to 62, I believe. Yeah. Those are those are from Brent, not WTI. So Brent is from the UK version, the UK. WTI Texas, of course, is from the US pricing. And Brent, I mentioned earlier, is good for diesels. WTI is good for gas. And so if you watch my previous video, you shouldn't miss this pump. And hopefully you fill up your gas tank before the gas go high on I think Monday or Tuesday, last Monday or Tuesday. And of course, let's see, the halving coming up in less than 1 year, May 18, 2020. That is very interesting. And of course, the crypto fear and greed index right now we have fear. That's interesting as well. I mean, anytime it's fear, I think it's a good time to buy a little bit, but not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy. It's up to you. I mean, you can never catch the bottom. I mean, you can never sell at the very top. And I will look at the indicator before making a buy or not. I will look at those technical analysis. I usually do what do the opposite what people doing. People buying, I'm not buying. People not buying, I will buy. I will be buying. So this is basically what I'm doing. And don't follow the herds. And Mr. Anderson is tweeting about, hey, what happened first? 9,003 to 20, 60%. 10,000 468, 40%. So I think every single time, if majority of people go this way, it may not go this way. So it is almost, I think so far almost a lot of times it happens the opposite. So we'll see. And in terms of, let's see, gold has some correction. In terms of Bitcoin, I anticipate there will be a big move because with a Bollinger Band like this, it's going to have a big move coming up. So we'll see. It's up to the whale how they play the game. Hey, and also, what do you think? Which two cryptocurrency he put the money in after he sell his stock on, I think, a few days ago? He said he's going to buy some two cryptocurrency by Friday and buy some gold and silver. Okay. Let me know what you think about this. Overstock founder, he already dumped his shares and buy gold and silver as well as two cryptocurrency. So which two cryptocurrency he's going to buy? Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. If you have already subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Like some of them are time sensitive. For example, previously I talked about I anticipate the dump of the price of gold and silver, and also anticipate the pump of the crude oil prices. So yeah, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out this the video, because that could be time sensitive. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency and commodity has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.